Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Fold5 and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Begin by installing your new defaults and going into Devices Settings. In Settings, scroll all the way down, click on Apps, and tap on Choose Default Apps. Now just tap on one of those sections that you wish to manage, like in my case, Browser app, and click on your new downloaded one to apply it. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!